Sharing Netflix and streaming logins. The secure way is something many people need to know, but few actually do it safely. If you're wondering how to share your account with friends or family without risking your security, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'm going to show you the secure way to share Netflix and other streaming logins, and you'll want to watch until the end because I'll also reveal a free trial to a software that can make managing your logins easier. First off, the most important thing when sharing your Netflix or any streaming login is to always avoid using your primary account credentials for multiple people. If you share your main login information directly, you're giving access to everything in your account, including personal details and payment information. It's not just about the shows you're watching, it's about keeping everything secure. The solution? Use separate profiles. Netflix and most streaming services let you create multiple profiles under one account. This is key because it keeps your recommendations, watch history, and settings private. But even more importantly, it limits what others can access. Next, let's talk about the security of sharing login details. If you're still sending passwords over text or email, stop right now. It's way too easy for someone else to intercept that info. Instead, use a password manager. A password manager lets you securely store and share your login credentials without sending them directly. Many of these tools also help generate strong passwords, which adds another layer of protection. Now, if you want an extra layer of security, consider setting up two-factor authentication, 2FA. While Netflix itself doesn't offer 2FA, you can still enable it for your email or password manager, which adds an extra step to protect your credentials. One of the biggest risks people face when sharing logins is the potential for unauthorized access. To prevent this, check your account settings regularly for any unfamiliar devices or activity. Streaming services like Netflix allow you to view all the devices that are logged into your account. If you notice anything suspicious, log out of all devices and change your password immediately. In case you're wondering, I've tested several popular password management tools, and I'll be using one of them in this tutorial. I recommend checking out the exclusive free trial of this software, which you can find in the description below. It's specifically for viewers of this channel, and it's a great way to securely share your logins without the hassle. Here's a quick recap. To share Netflix and streaming logins securely, create separate profiles for each user, never send passwords through unsecured channels, use a trusted password manager, enable two-factor authentication when possible, and monitor your account for any unauthorized access. And don't forget, check out the exclusive free trial in the description. It's a great tool to help you manage your streaming logins and security. The key takeaway from this video is that sharing your Netflix or streaming logins doesn't have to compromise your security. By taking a few simple steps, you can make sure your accounts stay safe while sharing them with others. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.